Honor 9x price in India, reveal Oppo F15 launch, Amazon and Flipkart sales, and more tech news this week. Realme started rolling out the Android 10 with Realme UI update for its Realme 3 Pro smartphone this week. The Realme 3 Pro is among the first Realme phones to get the Android 10 update. Additionally, Realme started rolling out Android 10 with Realme UI update for Realme 3 Pro, and Samsung announced a price cut for Galaxy A20s. In other smartphone news, 3 phone received a price cut this week. Samsung Galaxy A20s, Vivo Z1 Pro and Vivo Z1X. Vivo Z1 Pro 6GB RAM 64GB storage model has also received a price cut of Rs.